If you want to hide apps on Motorola Moto G15, first, this phone doesn't support feature where you can hide app and the app will be visible, but you will have another instance of that app in your secure folder. So you cannot hide it, but you may have additional app which will be protected by a password. So how it works is you need to open a secure folder on your device. You can find it in the app drawer or on your home screen, and if you open it for the first time, it will ask you to create a password. Then inside you need to click on this plus button right here and add apps. And right here, if you select app, then you'll be able to add it. And as I said, the original, in this case, calculator will stay where it is, and you can open it and use it normally from your home screen or app drawer. But you'll have the second instance of this app in your app secure folder, and then you can use it here as another different app with different settings and everything. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.